Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Now, as you know, when I say English, yes, you feel like it's something very important subject. Similarly with maths. Okay. Now, this is a very important topic. That is why I wanted to personally talk to you. Now, here, when I say creative writing means wherein you have to have a good English vocabulary, more of adjectives you have to use. Means it's a flowery language. You have to use a flowery language. Like when you want something from your mama, oh mama, you're so sweet, na? You're cute, please give me this. And then you immediately become very soft when you talk to your mama. This is what the creative writing is all about. Nothing to worry about. It's very easy. It's very simple. Now, dialogue means what? I've already explained you. When there's a conversation between the two people. Now, see, a whole day in your home only, the conversation is going on, dialogue is going on. When your mama is talking, when your papa is talking. Sometimes what you do, children, if you want to improve your, if you want to improve your dialogue, writing, what you do, you record, the conversation, or you tell somebody to, sorry beta, you tell somebody to record the conversation when you're talking with your mama or when talking to your sister, or you yourself record it and then try to listen. So what does mama says, then you says, this is how you have to write. Okay, you have to write as if the two people are talking directly to each other. यू गेटिंग इट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, है ना? दैट्स अ डायलॉग, राइट? डायलॉग मीन्स जब कोई कुछ बोलता है. हाँ, अनुज, ओके, व्हाट अनुज से, हेलो, हाउ आर यू? व्हेन टू पीपल मीट टुगेदर इमीडिएटली, सो यू स्टार्ट विथ हेलो, है ना? गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू? इजंट इट चिल्ड्रन? So it depends upon the situation what topic has been given to you. So today I am going to explain you the dialogue writing. Now children, one thing I want to tell you, ठीक है, I'll try to send one separate video on money wherein you have to take the least number of coins. You have to make, suppose for example 23, you have to make a 23 amount, 23 rupees. Okay, लीस्ट मीन्स सबसे कम से कम पैसा लेके उसको बनाना है. You have got, see, you have to make only 25, for example 25. Okay, so you say the number loudly. 25 means आपको 20 रुपीज़ की ज़रूरत है एंड 5 रुपीज़ कॉइन की ज़रूरत है. सो डायरेक्टली 20 रुपीज़ लो. इफ़ यू टेक 10 रुपीज़ देन वन मोर 10 रुपीज़, चेंज विल नॉट वर्क हियर. मतलब कम अमाउंट में आपको शो करना है 20 रुपीज़ बन गया. कम अमाउंट में शो गया 30 रुपीज़ बन गया. हाउ यू विल मेक 30 रुपीज़? टीचर 10 वन मोर 10. नो 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 नो, यू डायरेक्टली टेक 20. बड़ा नंबर लेना, बड़ा अमाउंट लेना, पहले सबसे बड़ा अमाउंट लेना. ओके, 20 ले लेना एकदम से. यू टेक 20 देन यू टेक 30. तो टू नोट्स में आपका 30 रुपीज़ बन गया, है ना? इसको बोलते हैं लीस्ट. बट इफ़ यू टेक 3, 10 10 10, ये ज़्यादा हो गया. सो दिस विल बी रॉन्ग. लीस्ट का मतलब है सबसे कम नोट लेके उसको शो करना है. Okay, let us come back to the dialogue writing. Okay, let us begin, because first I need to close this so that you can concentrate in this. Now see, I will read for you. This is a conversation between Ravi and Asha. Here first read the question for you. Write a short conversation between you and your friend's sister on the phone when your friend is not at home. You want to give a call to your friend. Your friend is not at home and your friend's sister is on the phone. So how you should talk on the phone? See, here two things you are going to learn. First of all, conversation, how to write a dialogue writing. Secondly, how to talk to the other person. Okay, let us begin. Now Ravi says, hello, can I speak to Anuj? Now wait, I'll take a pen in my hand. This is better. Okay. Now, Ravi says, hello, I'm reading this line. Hello, can I speak to Anuj? Then Asha, Anuj is not at home right now. Who is speaking? Ravi, this is Ravi, his friend. देखो, मैं रवि हूँ उसका दोस्त. May I know who is on the line? When you don't know the other person who is to whom you are talking, then this is how you have to ask, may I know who is speaking? May I know who is talking? See, these are manners, beta. You end with may I. Please, may I know. है ना? Yes. Then Asha says, this is Asha, his sister. His means because he is a boy. तो his sister. अगर girl होती तो her sister बेटा, है ना? His sister means talking about a boy, is that friends. He is a boy. The one who is talking also, he is a boy. So that is why we have to use the pronoun his. Ravi. Now Ravi says, hello Asha. Where has Anuj gone? Anuj कहाँ गया? Okay. Okay. That line was missing. So again, yes. So Ravi says, now when Ravi says that where has Anuj gone? Now Asha says Anuj has gone to his karate class. This line I'm reading, where Asha is saying he has gone to the karate class. Now Ravi says, okay, I will call again when he will come back. Thank you. Bye. Asha says bye. So simple and sweetly the dialogue writing has been written over here. Same way you have to write conversation between a mother and a child discussing about the importance of cleanliness. आपको मालूम है क्लेनलीनेस से क्या होता है? क्लीन क्लीन क्लेनलीनेस मीन्स साफ सफाई. सो ममा एंड अ चाइल्ड. सो ममा इज एक्सप्लेनिंग अ चाइल्ड अबाउट द क्लेनलीनेस. You can begin in any form, beta. Like for example, mother. You can start with mother. Okay, mother, and you can write mother and child, or Mrs. Sharma you can write, or child's name as Anil or Anu. Any name. If you want to give the name, you can give the name. For mother, Mrs. आएगा बेटा. Mrs. Sharma, Mrs. Kothari, or Mrs. Come on, tell me. Mrs. Yes, Trivedi. Any surname. You can take your own surname also, no issue, no problem. Anything you can take, and you can write any name of a child. So mama is talking. Mama. You have to write mother. Now I'll begin. I'll at least one or two sentences I'll start. For example, mother. Now she is saying, Anil, please. Now mama has seen Anil throwing the rubbish pencil shavings on the floor while studying. Anil, please throw pencil shavings. उसको बोलते हैं pencil shavings, okay? Pencil shavings in the dustbin. SHAVING. Shavings in the dustbin. Dustbin. Do not litter here. Do not mess up. Mama is telling Anil. So Anil says, okay, Mama. Then Mama is telling, means the mother is saying. The mother is telling the child, see child, cleanliness is next to godliness. Okay? We should always try to keep the place neat and clean. Then you write Anil. Why mama? Then mother again. Mother. Beta, if we don't keep our house, our room, our environment, our surrounding clean, then what will happen? The pest will start. If it is a house, the pest will come inside a house. Pest means what? The flies, है ना? The rats, mosquitoes, all the insects may. Because see, all these insects and the pests, they usually they like the dirty place. They like to live in a dirty place. They are not there in the clean place. So if we do not clean the place, if we do not keep our room tidy, then what will happen? The pest will enter our house, है ना? Then when they enter the house, they're going to bring the germs, है ना? And that is not good, and this may spread the diseases also, है ना? So we should keep our place, environment neat and clean, whether it's a school, whether it's a home, whether it is our surroundings, our environment. We should keep our everything neat and clean. Then the child says, Anil, okay, mama, now I have understood. So then mama says, see, last time we have been to Canada. Have you seen that Canada city? So he will say, huh, mama, it was so neat and clean. So beta, even we should keep our India neat and clean. This is our country. It is our duty to, we are citizen of this India. It is our duty to keep our country clean. Now, especially this pandemic time. Yes, even our prime minister has insisted. The prime minister had instructed the people to keep the environment neat and clean. When you are walking on the road, do not throw anything on the road. If people are doing it, please stop them to do it. So many things. See, is there where to write a dialogue. So anyway, you can write better. Not necessary that you have to write in a very for language. See the previous example I showed you, very simple and sweet. In a simple language also you can write the dialogue writing. No problem, beta. Please try to do it. Okay, and then you after if you're not able to do it, then you can take help of your mother and father. Okay, beta. That's all. I hope you must have understood, beta. Thank you. God bless you.